with everyone here. A few of my vintners, I'm going to be pulling them up on stage, so consider this your backstage pass, your live from the red carpet, whatever you want to call it. And with that, let me see who I can grab from the audience right now. I think I've got Emma Swain. I love it. Emma, cheers. How excited are you to be back?
I am so happy. It's Premiere Napa Valley week. It is the day of auction. It's one of the most exciting days of the year in Napa Valley, and particularly because we're having it, and it's post-COVID, and this community is just fantastic, and it's great to be here with everyone.
Oh, it's so good to have you, and I'm sure things are very exciting at St. Supéry. So tell me about what's happened this week for you guys.
Well, we had 11 of our best friends over, other winemakers, some of our very best friends from here in the Napa Valley. They came over to the winery and brought their wines yesterday, and we saw about 100 of our wonderful trade guests who are here in town helping promote and purchase these fantastic wines to bring to you. And we've also been online doing virtual tastings with those of you who we haven't got to see yet this year, and we can't wait to welcome you back to Napa Valley.
We're so excited, of course, to have everyone back, but this has been a year of resiliency, which has been a running theme in Napa Valley's history. What's the vibe here in terms of the winemakers in the community?
You know, it's so great to be here in Napa Valley, and Premiere Napa Valley is an opportunity for all the winemakers to talk to each other, to see what each other's doing, and to continually improve their own wines and share with each other great tips and secrets. Everyone's super enthusiastic. We're all vaccinated here today, and it's a great feeling to have a mask off and share a glass of wine together.
It's very exciting. So tell me about your lot. I think I maybe have it up here, maybe I don't. But tell me about the St. Supéry lot that you guys got.
We're very excited about our lot. It's coming from our Dollarhide Ranch. It's some of the oldest vines of the Dollarhide Ranch.
Such a special place.
Super special place, and a one-of-a-kind lot, 10 cases. Michelle Roland and our winemaker, Michael Scholes, made this wine together and did some very special fermentation techniques. They put about 5% Petit Verdot and 5% Malbec in it, both from the Dollarhide Vineyard. Nice old parcels of those wines. Very, very dense, very, very strong, and delicious. It's going to be a wonderful wine, especially in the next 10, 20, 30 years.
I love it. Well, whoever gets that lot, of course, is a very lucky person, and whoever gets those wines beyond that is, of course, very lucky. I look forward to trading it. Any final message to the bidders out there?
Thank you all so much for supporting Napa Valley. We appreciate it. We hope you are able to win a few lots today, because most of these lots are 2019, and what a vintage it is. Thank you so much for your support, and here's to Premiere Napa Valley.
Yes,
thanks,
cheers.
Amanda.
Thank you so much. Emma Swain of St. Supéry. For those of you out there who don't know Emma, she's, of course, a wonderful, wonderful person, and that lot sounds amazing. But, of course, in addition to